Please, guys, keep tapping on your screen as you join. Guys, keep tapping on your screen as you're joining, please. As you get more likes as you tap on the screen, it makes the live popular. And it makes us to have more audience. Hi, F-Man. Good afternoon. Nice having you here on YouTube. Good afternoon. F-Man, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How was your work today? And happy weekend. Greetings to you too. Guys, keep tapping as you're joining in. Keep tapping, please. Tapping is a way of supporting this live. Okay. Guys, please keep tapping, We'll be starting soon. Keep tapping on your screen, please. Write the following basic form. Guys, keep tapping, please. Keep tapping. F-Man, I can see you here. Good afternoon once more. You're welcome. Guys, keep tapping on your screen, please. The more you tap, the more this live gets to a larger audience. Okay, please kindly share this live and invite more friends. All right. If this is your first time, please kindly give us a start. If this is your first time here, please kindly give us a follow, please. It's to go a long way. It's a way of supporting me, please. So guys, we're going to start now. F-Man, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you as usual. Thank you, F-Man. One day I will come specially. Please let me know anytime you're going live. The time when I'm not live, I'll come and join your live and I'll be there till the end. Please, F-man, kindly let me know. You send me a notification when you wish to go live, please. During the weekend so I can join you. Because I know you like anytime in the night if you're free. If you go live in the night, I'll join you. Please, yes, you send me a notification. Write the following. How to write basic form to single sort form. How to write basic. So guys, we agreed to solve questions on sort. Oh, no respond. Who? Sunday. Mr. Sunday, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Sunday. Sorry, I didn't see that. You know, the messages just keep coming and sometimes you don't see some of them. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Good afternoon, Mr. Sunday. Happy weekend. The weekend has started already. So, we agreed to solve questions under solve this afternoon. When we finish the morning session. So, according to the votes we had, we all agreed to solve questions under solve for the afternoon session. Write the following basic form in their single sort form. So these are past questions. I picked them. The first one is 2 root 3. 3 root 5. 5 root 3. 7 root 2. Okay, everyone, just how we do it. We know how we do it. We know how we do it, right? You solve. Well, let me just write out only one question for now. We solve. When we get the answer, we'll drop the answer in the comments. When you drop the answer in the comments, then we'll check for the correct answer. And then we solve together. Kano, hi, you're welcome to this live. Please give us a follow if this is your first time. Kindly give us a follow if this is your first time. Kano, I can see that you requested to join. May I know why you want to join? Do you want to contribute to this live? Do you want to solve the problem? Because I only bring up guests here that wants to solve problems. That's what we do here. Okay. So now let's check for answers in the comments. Okay, Kingsley says he has root 12. Okay, F-man also has root 12. Okay. Thank you, F-man. So let's get more answers. Okay, so kind of we only accept for those that want to contribute to any question given. F-man, thank you once more. Okay, so we have some answers. We have root 12. So let's check. Let's see if we can get more answers. Let's get more answers from the audience. Let's get more answers. Let's get more answers. Guys, drop your answer in the comment section. What's the basic form? This sort is in its basic form, 2 root 3. How do you change it to a single sort form? How do you change it to a single sort form? So we have answers from different audience. We have who have the answer as root 12, root 6, another root 12. Okay, so who can help us? Who can solve this for us? Who can help us in the comment section? How do we solve this? Who can help us in the comment section? How do we solve this? Tell us the step. How do we solve this in the comment section? Okay, Abu says root 12. Now you guys should explain in the comments how do we solve it. If the answer is root 12, then how do we solve to get the root 12? Kingsley, you want to come up to solve it? Kingsley, kindly respond in the comments. Do you want to come up to solve it? I can see your request. We square it. No, I don't want to solve it yet. I need to get contributions from the audience. That's how we do it here. Can we see this is your first time here? 12 times by 2. Season Health Flavor says times by 2. I need to get more answers. The answers I got are so few. Guys, please share this live. Share this live. Kindly repost. And keep tapping on your screen, please. The more you tap, the more followers, the more viewers we have. Palaya, welcome. Okay. Is it Lawmark? Lawmark Designs. You said, okay, so how do you solve it? What do you do to get the answer? Just they cool. No, the answer is not. Is that x root 3 I'm seeing? What am I saying there? Okay. Oh, I've not even connected my Bluetooth. Ola, you want to help us? Oh, because it's so hot. Sorry, I'm coming. Oh, my device is hot. I want to. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Guys, keep tapping. Hello, are you there? Okay, sorry, I'm trying to connect my Bluetooth so that I can hear you better. Please just hold on a moment. Please, I'm here. Just give me a moment. I thought the Bluetooth was already connected. Guys, please keep tapping as you are joining. Okay. We times by 2 to get the fourth root. Please, come. Just a moment. My device is hot. Let me put on the AC. Please, I'm coming. Because the weather is actually hot. Ola, please just give me a moment. I'm coming. I need to do some settings here. Guys, please keep tapping. Keep tapping as you're joining, please. Guys, please keep tapping. Kindly repost this live so it will get to a larger audience. The more you keep tapping on the screen, the more viewers we get. Ola, you can start explaining. I can hear you. Okay. Keep explaining. I can hear you, please. The viewers, the audience, you can hear you. Uh-huh. Okay, we should write 2 as a square root. Mm-hmm. So equals to root 4. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. So why if you multiply why are we multiplying the 2 by roots and we are not doing anything to the 3? Okay, say it. Okay, go on. Sine rule. No. Don't use that. Huh? Oh. Okay. A root B can be written as what? Uh-huh. As what? A square B. A square B. Like this, right? Square root of A square B. Like this? Yes. Yes, it's the same thing. So this 2 root 3 now will now be, okay, square root of 2 squared times 3, right? Okay. 2, that is 4 times 3. Okay, that is 12. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me read the comments. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so let's solve more. So hope you understand what Solar has done. Let me read comments. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Hello, Tutor John. You're welcome to my live. Thank you for joining in. Binta has root 2. No, Binta root 2 is not correct. So those that have root 12 got it correctly. Those that have root 12 got it correctly. Please, before you request to join, kindly let me know in the comment section first, okay? So let's solve another one. The next one is, there are 4 questions here, but I don't want to write them all at the same time. The next one is 3 root 5. Hello everyone, please solve this and drop your answer in the comments. Let me see the first 3 people that will get it right. 3 root 5. Let's solve for 3 root 5. Let's solve for 3 root 5. Let's solve for 3 root 5. Okay, root 45, root 45. Okay, let's use the same rule. Let's see. So this 3 root 5 is going to be what? 3 squared times 5, which is equal to 9 times 5, which is equal to 45. So do we have 45? Let me go to the comments. Okay, mom's favorite, not 45, please, root 45. Root 45. To all those overflows, okay? Root 45, okay. To all those that, okay, make new fan page. Okay, we got it right. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Let's try another one. 5 root 3. 5 root 3. As I said, we have 4 questions under this. So what is 5 root 3? Drop your answer. What's 5 root 3? Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. The more you tap, the more audience I get, please. So what is root 75? OC color, okay. Make root 75. Let's get more answers. Let's get more answers. Okay, mom's favorite root 75. So let's check this. So this is going to be what? Square root of 5 squared times 3. This is going to be 25 times 3, which is equal to square root of 75. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So we all got it correctly. Keep tapping on your screen. Okay, so the last question here, the last one for this is 7 root 2. Let's do this in 10 seconds. 7 root 2. 7 root 2. 7 root 2. Guys, 7 root 2. I want to look for solve questions in chat. 7 root 2, root 98. Okay, we all got it correctly. Thank you. So this is very simple, right? So I want us to solve. This is a jam question. This is a jam question. A jam question. Jam. Though I didn't take note of the year. I didn't take note of the year when I write out the question. It says simplify root 20 plus root 45 plus root 125 minus 2 root 80. So this is a jam question. We are required to simplify root 20 plus root 45 plus root 125 minus 2 root 80. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget, please. So let's try this and drop the answer in the comments as usual. Kindly solve and drop your answer. Mama, you're pushing it. Be careful. Move your legs. Move your legs from there. So let's do this in 120 seconds. Let's solve this problem in 120 seconds. Let's solve this problem in 120 seconds. If you have your answer, can you drop your answer in the comments? Guys, keep tapping on your screen, please. No? Shit. If you have your answer, can you drop your answer in the comment section? Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget to keep tapping. Keep tapping, please. This is just a 1 hour class. At 4 p.m. we're going to stop and come back at 10. Please kindly repose this live. Keep tapping. Do you have any answer yet? Or I should give us more time? Okay, Ola, later. Thank you. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. I can identify this name wrong. Final answer is 2 root 5. Okay, somebody has an answer 2 root 5. Okay, June 9, I'm waiting. 2 root 9. 2 root what? 2 root 5. Let's get more answers, please. Okay, June says, I think the answer is 2 root 5. Meal Okay, Mick says 2 root 6. We have 2 root 5. We have 2 root 6. So let's get more answers. We also have 2 root 6. So let's see those that have it. Okay, who wants to come up to explain this to us? Anyone? Is there anyone who wants to come up to explain this? I have requests from the prince. The prince, do you want to explain? Kingsley, I have requests from you. Chidera, I also have a request from you. Do you want to explain? Let me know so that I'll accept your invitation. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to come and explain how to solve this? As you are joining, please kindly give us a follow, please. If you have your answer as you're joining, kindly drop your answer in the comments. Anyone? Is there anyone who wants to come up? June 9, thank you for following. Is there anyone who wants to come up to explain how to solve this? Anyone? Patrice? Okay. Mama? Shift from this side. Is there anyone who wants to solve this? Please let me know so that I'll bring you up. Patrice has 2 root 5, so let's see if we get a different answer. Solid side. Okay, let me solve. Okay. Okay, guys, since nobody is willing to come up, let's do this. We're going to do it together, right? So, this is root 20. We can break root 20 down to 2 numbers in the sense that one of the numbers is a perfect square. What's that number? Who can tell me? What are the 2 numbers that we can use to multiply 20? In which one is a perfect square? So what are 4 times 5? Thank you. So we represent these 20 as 4 times 5 plus, now let's go to 45. What are 2 numbers that when you multiply will give us 45, such that one of the number is a perfect square? 9 times 5. Thank you, Sonny guys, right? 9 times 5. Plus, now let's go to 125. 2 numbers that when you multiply gives 125. 2 numbers that when you multiply gives 125 is what? 25 times 5. Thank you. Then minus 2 times square root 80. For 80, 2 numbers that when you multiply gives 80 is what? 2 numbers that when you multiply gives 80 is what? One has to be a perfect square. No, you can't use 8 times 10. Comrade, sorry, you can't use 8 times 10. One has to be a perfect square. Good. Sonny, thank you. 16 times 5. No, you can't use 40 times 2. So Sonny has it. Thank you. So you're going to use 16 times 5. Remember I said one has to be a perfect square, right? Good. So now let's do this. This 4 times 5 is same as saying square root of 4 times square root of 5. So square root of 4 is 2. So this becomes 5. And if you observe something, they all have 5, 5, 5, 5. Right? That's something interesting about it. So they're all going to have the same roots. Okay? So plus 9 times 5, square root of 9 is 3. Then we have root 5 because 5 is not a perfect square. Then plus square root of 25 is 5, root 5, minus 2 times square root of 16 gives us 4, root 5. So this becomes 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5 minus 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8 root 5. So now let's simplify this. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is going to be 2 root 5. So those that got 2 root 5 have the answer correctly. If you got 2 root 5, please say the truth and raise up your hand in the comment section. Don't lie, oh please, don't lie. We are not lying on this space. If you got the answer correctly, you got 2 root 5, raise up your hand in the comments. Let me see those that raised it. Just be sincere. So people got 2 root 5, some got 2 root 6. If you're among the 2 root 5, raise your hand. Alright, so those that got 2 root 5 have it correctly. Alright, good job everyone. Good job. So now, I was correct but I was not very sure. Okay, June 9. That's one thing with math. So well done. Thank you for the engagement, okay? So let's move on to another question. Can you note that the questions we are solving this afternoon are questions from JAM? Big baby blessing. I might not be able to start again. However, we have another question similar to this we're going to solve now. All the questions we are solving are from JAM. Okay, they are JAM questions. I'm starting with the simple ones. We solved 4 questions initially, plus this one 5. So now we are going to question 6. This one also says simplify, so it's similar to this we just finished solving. 3 root 2 minus root 32 plus root 50 minus root 98. Sorry, plus root 98 minus plus plus. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Solve and drop your answer as usual. Please keep tapping on your screen. Please keep tapping on your screen. Please, I'm kneeling down. Keep tapping on your screen. Kindly reshare this post. I mean, repost this live. Okay, so solve and drop your answer in the comments. Please, let's solve this in 120 seconds.
Mommy.
I know you. Who are you?
Daddy.
My angel, daddy's little girl. How are you?
Daddy, don't.
I should not do what?
Don't pass my mom.
Why?
Because she's going to the umbrella.
How are you? You didn't take your bath. You didn't take your bath.
Daddy, your hand like that is shocking me.
So like
Do we have any answer? Any answer from the audience? 11 root 2, 12 root 2. We are getting different answers. 11 root 2, 12 root 2. Okay, so let's try this. We have 11 root 2, 12 root 2. Let me see if I have a different answer. That's all we have for now, right? Teacher Mickey has 13 root 2. 13 root 2. Any other answer? Any other answer? Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. You guys are not tapping again. So let's do this. Look at this first value here is in root 2. So let's make the other values also be in root 2. So this becomes 3 root 2 minus, what number times 2 will give me 32? What number times 2 gives me 32? 16. Okay, thank you. 16 times 2. Now plus, now let's go to 50. Which number times 2 will give me 50? Leave. No. Okay. Which number times 2 will give us 50? 25. Good, thank you. Then plus the last one, 98. Which number times 2 will give me 98? Which number times 2 gives me 98? Thank you everyone for the engagement. 49. Okay, so yeah, I have 49. So now let's do this. So this now becomes 3 root 2 minus root 16 is what? Is 4, right? So we have 4 root 2 plus root 25 is 5. So we have 5 root 2. Then 49 is what? Root 49 is 7. So we have 7 root 2. So here we have 3 minus 4 gives us minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11, right? So those that got 11 root 2 got it right. If you got 11 root 2, raise your hand in the comments without lying. Be sincere. Did you get 11 root 2? Raise your hand. Let me see you. I know those that got 11 root 2. I marked their names. If you got 11 root 2, who else got 11 root 2? Adekule, thank you for the roses. God bless you. Thank you so much. Who got 11 root 2? I forgot to indicate my minus 1. Okay. Okay. Teacher Miki, that's why you got 12, right? Rose, thank you for the follow. Thank you everyone for the engagement, alright? So now let's move on to another question. Remember, these questions are JAM questions. I picked the questions from JAM. So take notes. From this month till the end, till when JAM will be written, I will be solving questions from JAM, different topics. We'll pick a topic we want to do, then we'll pick questions from JAM, okay? So let's solve this. The question says rationalize. So since it's JAM, will you guys suggest I give the options? Let me know in the comment section. Should I give the options since it's a JAM question? Is there need for me to write out the options or there's no need? Is there need? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Is there need for me to write out the options? Yes or no? Since they are JAM questions and they are objective questions. Since JAM are objective questions, denominator of the expression. This is the question. Oh, guys, let me know. Should I write out the options? Only 2 persons responded. Though. I have about 200 viewers at the moment. Only 2 persons responded to this question. Should I write out the options or there is no need? I should write them out. Okay, don't write out the options. Where is your slippers? No, where is slippers? Oh. Don't go against the gate. Okay, guys, so we have a question. We have a jam question. Hello, Daisy, you're welcome. We have a jam question here to solve with 5 options. So let's solve together. No, we're not solving together yet. Solve and drop your answer in the comments. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Which one is the correct answer? Mariam, stop showing me my live video. Stop showing me my live video. Come. Please don't choose any option without solving, no, because no, you people are finished solving. The question says we should rationalize. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Don't forget to tap, please. It's almost 1 hour now. We don't even have up to 1,000 likes. Yes, any answer? I'm waiting. Oh. Guys, who can tell me in the comment, what does it mean to rationalize? What does it mean to rationalize? I am waiting. Oh. Somebody should just tell me, hey, user, you're welcome. Just tell me in the comment section, in one sentence, what does it mean to rationalize? Muslima Tales, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you. Hey, everybody is just saying A. Okay, good. Sunnyside says, use the conjugate of the denominator to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Hi, can you explain proper? Yes, I will explain. You're just joining in. What we'll do is we first get, thank you, Sonny. We first get suggestions or answers from the audience before we solve. So let's do this together. So the conjugate of this is going to be what? Square root of 1 plus a minus square root of a. So you do the same thing, you multiply by the numerator and denominator. So now let's do this. Square root of 1 plus a times square root of 1 plus a. This is going to give me square root of 1 plus a square, right? Now, square root of 1 plus a times minus square root of a. This is going to be minus square root of a times square root of 1 plus a. Then minus this times this times this. Now, this minus square root of a times this will give me minus the same thing, square root of a times square root of 1 plus a. Minus times minus is plus. Square root of a times square root of a will give me square root of a squared. Now, please let me know, am I correct? Am I correct? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm waiting, please. I'm correct, okay. So this is over. Now let's go to the denominator. Square root of 1 plus a times square root of 1 plus a will give us square root of 1 plus a all squared. Now square root of 1 plus a now times the second term, that's going to be minus square root of a times square root of 1 plus a. Now going to the next term, square root of a times the first term here, this is plus square root of a times square root of 1 plus a. Plus times minus is minus. Square root of a times square root of a will give me square root of a squared. So now let's simplify this. This square root here cancels out this square root, this square. So I'm left with 1 plus a minus square root of a root minus root a root 1 plus a minus root a root 1 plus a. What would this give me? This value here, these two values. Tell me in the comment section, what will this give me? Minus root a root 1 plus a minus root a root 1 plus a. What will be the value? I'm in the comments. Minus root a root square root of minus 2 of them. Okay, minus 2 of them. Okay. Thank you, Sonia. So this is going to be minus 2 of square root of a square root of 1 plus a. Good. So here the a cancels, the square root cancels the square. We are left with plus a. Now divided by the same thing here. Square root cancels square, right? So we have a 1 plus a. Now this minus root a root 1 plus a plus root a root 1 plus a is 0 to cancel out. So we have minus square root cancels the square. We have a here. So we keep simplifying, right? We keep simplifying. So at this point, so I'll be having, let's collect like time. So I'll be having 1 plus a plus this a minus 2 root a root 1 plus a all over 1. Why? Because my a minus a is 0, so we have 1 left, right? So this is equal to 1 plus a gives me 2a minus 2 root a root 1 plus a. Okay, all over 1 is still the same. So no denominator again. So what happens at this point? What can I do here? Who can tell me? What can I do from this point? Or is that the final answer? Or we can rewrite this, right? We can write this as what? We can rewrite this as what? This is equal to 1 plus 2a minus 2. Then if you put all of this in one single root, this is going to be what? A, this a, then open bracket what? 1 plus a. So this can also be interpreted as this. So this is the final answer. So those that got, so the correct option is option A. So those that got A, got it correctly. But if you know you solved it yourself without using any AI tool to ask for the answer, this is for you. If you did not use AI tool to ask for the answer, I'm clapping for you. Adekule, thank you for the roses. Thank you. I sincerely appreciate you. So guys, if you understand what I just did here, kindly type understood. This is a jam question. This is a jam question. If you understood what I just did, kindly type understood. I've not gotten anyone telling me understood though. Or could it be that nobody understands? Kindly type understood if you get what we did. Market girl, you say you don't understand. What's the point where you don't understand? Kindly check through. Kindly check through. Tell me the point where you don't understand. I'm in the comments. We have another question here. Hey, 4 don't pass, so I don't. Yeah, I want to solve another question. That will be the last question. I will continue in the night because it's prayer time here. I need to go and pray. So let's solve another question. So we continue at night, 10 p.m. Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Please, that's the way of supporting this live. Can you take me to 10k likes before ending this class, please? We'll be ending this class in 5 minutes time. Hello, Mujahid. Okay, guys. Dr. Bello Mohammed, thank you for the follow. Adekunle, thank you. Thank you for the roses. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Okay, guys, just the way we do it, please. Okay. So inside, yeah, I just saw your comments. You say if I can solve very fast. Left to me, the question we just finished solving. It's not take me. Okay, I would have just showed you how to do difference of 2 squares. Sharp, 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 sharp. But the question we just solved now, I don't think there's a shortcut method for it. You just have to solve it step by step. That particular question doesn't have a shortcut method. The question we just finished now. Alright guys, let's do this one together. Let's do this one together. Please drop your answer in the comments. Square root of 2 over, open bracket, square root of 3 minus square root of 2 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 2 all over square root of 3 plus square root of 2. Adekunle, thank you once more for the roses. God bless you. I sincerely appreciate you, okay? Or should I just solve this because of time? I think I should just solve it. Because I have another engagement. This is supposed to be an hour class. So what can we do here? What do we do? Who can tell me in the comment section, what do we do? Ola, do you have a shortcut method for this? Ola, are you there? Yes, I'm waiting. What can we do here? Can anyone, hello Derek, can anyone help us with a shortcut method on how to solve this? What's the first step? What do we have to do? What do we have to do? Okay, so looking at this now, let's take the LCM. The LCM here is what? Who can tell me what is the LCM? using difference of two squares. This is difference of two square, right? So what is going to be the LCM? You know, for a difference of two squares, if you have a minus um, if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to what? A plus b and what? A minus b, right? For difference of two squares. So the same thing applies here. This is the a now, this is the b, this is a, this is b, right? Right? So now, let's simplify this. Let's make it, the LCM is going to be this, right? So the LCM is going to be square root of 3 squared minus square root of what? Of 2 squared. This is a shortcut method. This one wants to bring out all of this. This one is easier. So what do we do here now? Who can tell me what do we do to simplify this? LCM is root 2. No. Hadun. The LCM is not root 2. We don't apply in the hospital rule. No, not root 2. Not root 2, please. The LCM is root 2 minus what? Root 2 minus, root 3 squared minus root 2. This will be difficult for learner to understand. Okay, but so decide, but you mentioned that we should do shortcut method since it's JAM. So to me, if I want to solve this in JAM, this is the method I will use. But if I want to use this method now, some people might be confused, but I decided to use it because we said what? Because he said the one shortcut. Okay, that means the denominator is 1, right? So what do we do? What happens to the numerator? Nancy, this is for JAM purpose. If you do step by step, we will waste time. This is the best way to solve it. You take the LCM. The LCM is this. What do? You cross multiply these two values, right? So this becomes what? Square root of 2 times root 3 plus root 2 minus what? Now let's cross this side too. This becomes what? Square root of 3 minus square root of 2. If you look at this, square root of 3 times square root of this square root of 3 minus square root of 2. This is also square root of 3 minus square root of 2. So what do? We just square here. I'm teaching us shortcut method on how to solve problems like this when you're writing JAM. That's the intention, is to help you guys know how to solve problems like this for JAM. Not the long method. Our concern is how to solve. If you're in a JAM situation, how do you solve this sharp and get your answer? So what you do here now, let's open up this bracket. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Minus, now, this is root 3 times minus root 2. Who can tell me what do I do here? What do we do here, please? You know, we have to open that one up, right? Okay, I understand. Yes, what I'm trying to, so let's open up this. Root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root. No, I don't need to do all of this. If I look at this, I know what the next answer is going to be. I'm just trying to, bring it out and solve it. Root 3 times root 3 will give us root 9. Root 3 times minus root 2 is root 6. Minus root 2 times root 3 minus root 6. Minus times minus plus root 2 times root 2 is 4. Root 9 is 3. Minus root 6 minus root 6 is minus root 12. Plus root 4 is 2. Now 3 plus 2 minus root 12, right? So this becomes 5 minus root 12. I've simplified this down to be 5 minus root 12. Hope we are getting it. Please, hope we are getting it. Is there a mistake? Solid side where? Please let me know. Root 9. Root 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus times minus plus root 4. Minus 6. Minus root 6 minus root 6. So this side, where is, minus 2 root 6. Thank you. Thank you. Look at what I wrote here. Minus 2 root 6. Don't mind me, please. Minus 2 root 6. So this is 3 plus 2. Minus 2 root 6. This is 5 minus 2 root 6. So this side, thank you. Thank you for bringing my attention to that. So this is now minus what? This becomes minus 5 minus 2 root 6, right? We simplify this, it becomes this now. All over, if you simplify this, square cancel square root, square root cancel square. 3 minus 2 is 1, so this is over 1, right? So now this becomes root 6 plus square root of 4 is 2 minus 5. Minus times minus here is supposed to be a plus. Is it supposed to be a plus? Please let me know. Let me know in the comments. Is that supposed to be a plus? It's plus, right? Hope I'm correct.
Mommy.
Hmm? Guys, please talk now. You guys should talk.
Loud your voices.
My voice is loud. Okay. Good. Yes, I'm shouting so they will hear me well. Root 6 plus 2 minus 5. Now, let's collect like terms. Okay? Sorry, plus 2. Plus 2 root 6, right? So now let's collect like terms. We have root 6 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 minus 5. Root 6 plus 2 root 6 will give me 3 root 6 plus 2 minus 5 will give me minus 3. So my answer is what? 3 root 6 minus 3. So let's check the options. Okay, the one that is similar to it is option B. So what happened is 3 was factorized. If factorize 3 from 3 root 6, we are going to be left with what? Root 6. Minus if factorize 3 from 3, we have 1. So this is the answer. The answer is 3, open bracket, root 6 minus 1. So the answer is B. Please, if you understand what I just did, type understood. Somebody say, where is the 2? Which 2? Guys, please keep tapping on your screen. Which 2 are you talking about? Your name is not coming up. Which 2? Which 2, please? So this is the shortcut method we can use to solve this, okay? If you're in a jam situation, this is what you just do. This is difference of 2 squares, right? Then what do? You multiply the numerator by denominator. Numerator on the left-hand side by denominator on the right-hand side. Minus, because the operation you have is minus. Now, numerator on the right-hand side and denominator on the left-hand side. You also multiply it, right? Simplify. Open this, blah, blah, blah. Simplify. Get your final answer. Factorize. Get your final answer. Very simple. You don't understand at all. Okay, we're going to meet at 9 p.m. I will explain this again at 9 p.m. I mean 10 p.m. Sorry. Is it 10 p.m.? What time did I agree to be meeting? Oh, please, can anyone help me check through my page? I pinned it on the first thing I pinned on my page is the time we meet at night. Okay, it's 10, right? Okay, so we'll meet at 10 p.m. I will explain again for those that say they don't understand. Because I have an engagement now. So, 10 p.m. Morani KG, will you be around 10 p.m.? Morani KG, will you be around at 10 p.m.? I will explain because of you. So that I don't clean the board, I'll wait for you to come. So I will explain before moving on to the next question. So at 10 p.m. we'll continue with Surds. JAM questions under Surds. If you have friends that are writing JAM this year, tell them to follow me. Throughout this month till February, till they write JAM, I'll be solving questions back to back. JAM questions, maths and physics on this page. My second page, chemistry. Okay? So guys, I have to leave now because I have an engagement. We'll see you in the night, 10 p.m. Please, it's when I see you guys that gives me the ginger to come. Even when I don't want to come, once I remember that some people are somewhere waiting for me, expecting me to come, you see that I have the ginger to come. So thank you everyone for your engagement. God bless you all. And see you at night, okay? See you 10 p.m. West African time. Bye everyone. Mama, are you done?